Hi there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get unbanned on Tinder. Getting unbanned from Tinder can be tricky, but here simplified approach in 3 steps. First, carefully read any communication from Tinder about the ban, understanding the reason behind it. Example, inappropriate behavior, violating community guidelines is crucial for addressing the issue. Then the second step is reach out to Tinder's customer support through their official help channels. Be polite and concise in your message, explain your situation, acknowledge any mistakes if applicable, and request a review of your account. Then the third and the last step is after contacting support, be patient. If you don't receive a response within a reasonable time frame, typically a week or two, follow up with another polite inquiry. It's important to be honest and respectful throughout the process. If the ban was due to a serious violation, be aware the reinstatement might not be possible. So this is the easiest and simplest way to get unbanned on Tinder. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.